In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing a global climate anomaly known as the year without a summer. Crops failed and famine spread. In Switzerland, Mary Shelley and friends, trapped indoors by relentless rain, turned to storytelling. This led to the creation of Frankenstein, a tale born from adversity. How did a volcanic eruption inspire a literary masterpiece? This historical twist shows resilience through creativity. Shelley's story endures, reminding us that even in darkness, innovation can flourish. Like Shelley's circle, how can we adapt to challenges today? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.